All right, guys, so 50 basis points is what the Bank of Canada dropped interest rates by today. What does that mean for the housing market? As I told you guys back in January, watch my videos, I said, guys, get in the market before they drop interest rates. Why did I tell you that? Because the moment money becomes cheaper, more people are going to be competing for that same one house. There's not enough supply of homes. I keep saying this. Now, let's put that aside. I have a question for you. They said they dropped interest rates because inflation has come down. Can you please tell me, has inflation come down as far as you've seen? Where have you seen prices fall in our market? Has the price of food, when you go to the restaurant, has the price of food gone down? I don't think so. What I'm trying to say is that, okay, real estate aside, it's going to affect the real estate market because what they're doing is they're dropping interest rate to keep the real estate market going, keep money flowing, keep buying and selling happening. But at some point, how sustainable is that, right? How much you're just going to have cycles repeat themselves. So in the past, when we dropped interest rates, what happened? We had bidding wars, then they increased the interest rates, and then they realized the housing market has stopped, and then they dropped it again. You're going to have these repetition of these cycles happening so that they keep it going. But in reality, if you want to adjust this market, you should not interfere in it. As an economist, we're told don't interfere in the market. The moment people start, the government, the Bank of Canada interferes in the market, what's happening is, in reality, inflation has not gone down, guys. And with these wars, it's not going to go down. Because how are the governments all over the world sustain these wars? They just print more money. Are they exporting more? Are they producing more? No, they're producing the same. In 1 year, their production isn't doubling to keep up with the war cost. So they're all going to start printing money. And you're going to see another cycle of inflation. So what we have to do when there is an inflationary global market, the dollar, they're just going to keep printing the dollar. They're trillions in debt. What they have to do is keep interest rates higher in reality. Now, listen, as far as I'm concerned, I love helping my customers. I'm happy for those who want to get in the market. Yes, it's a bit more affordable to get into the market, and definitely we want to help those guys out, get in while interest rates have fallen. I wish that those of you had watched my video had, if you had listened, those of you who did, well done, and contacted me, but I'd come in the market in January. Because if you had gotten on a variable, which you take advantage of the lower interest rates now anyways, but if you had come in on a variable rate back then, you would be competing with less people. You're taking advantage of the interest rate fall, and you were getting better deals then. Now, I don't know how many sellers, right? And my advice to my sellers as well is wait till the interest rates fall, because your home now becomes more affordable to more people. And you can get most likely more what you're looking for, okay? So this is all, the whole market, the whole real estate, it's all emotions. And that's another thing. When I work with my buyers and sellers, I tell them this. I say, this whole transaction is an emotional transaction. And the reason why me being involved in the process is I'm removed of emotions. I've done this over 200 times. What I'm going to do is help you take the emotions out and make a good decision for yourself based on what your needs are, what you're looking as an investment, as a family home, or whatever the criteria may be. So that's really important to go over that. Keep your emotions out of these transactions and study the market, understand the market, time the market. For those of you who want to get in, definitely the condo market right now, great deals, still great deals, because there's a lot of supply in there from investors who bought in 6 properties, turning them into Airbnb. So we do have that still there. But we're definitely seeing the market pick up. And with this interest rates, mark my words, it's definitely picking up. So interesting times ahead. As I said to you, the stock market and the real estate market in many ways are very correlated. You're seeing the stock market hit all-time highs, which is a serious sign. You have Warren Buffett warning that, hey, I'm going to sit on a lot of cash now because this is just crazy what's happening. We have people even in the real estate market saying, whoa, what's happening to the housing market? Let's keep real estate and stocks separate on this one, because real estate, you can't make more land. It's limited in supply. Everyone needs a shelter over their head, and price of goods are not going down. So the way the market is going, inflationary in nature, we're going to keep hitting all-time highs, because we're going to keep printing money, and money is going to become more and more worth less because they keep printing more of it to finance all these wars and finance their debt and finance trillions of dollars in debt. So the moral of the story is, guys, get in the market, because real estate is the hedge against inflation, and there's lots more inflation to come. It's great. They've made money cheaper now with these interest rate drops to borrow. That's awesome. Get in there, take advantage of that lower interest rate to leverage that to buy a property that's going to go up higher in inflationary value. Because the way the world's heading, honestly, as long as you have all these governments and banks interfering in the market, which they will continue to do, especially now before the elections, you're not seeing prices go down anytime soon. Sorry to say. Cheers, guys. Maybe in the stock market, but not in real estate, not in gold, not in silver. And stay tuned. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, like and follow, and ask me any topic you have a question on so I can speak about it. But definitely on the real estate, always happy to help, always happy to give you my honest opinion on what I think is the best time for you, best investment for you in this market and in the long term as well. Cheers. Take care, guys.